Hello everyone, I'm Tim Martinez with the Disco Dish. Just taking a quick walk through the garden to check up on things. Today, we're gonna be cooking a real simple meal, beef and broccoli. Of course, it's got beef and broccoli, but we're gonna start off with the sauce, and we're gonna mix that first. Our ingredients today, fresh ginger, garlic, brown sugar, sesame seed oil, soy sauce, and cornstarch as a thickener. And we'll mix it all together with a little bit of warm water. So we're gonna mix that up real good, and we're gonna let it set while we cook our beef and broccoli. Let's put some avocado oil in. And we'll add the broccoli. This is a real simple and easy recipe, real quick. Something to do on a hot summer day so you don't heat up your kitchen. And if you like to, you can add a little bit more avocado oil, which I'm gonna do. And we're getting there really quickly. We're seeing that there. We're seeing it in some of the pieces. So we're gonna keep a close eye on it. So we've only been cooking for a few minutes, but it's where we like it. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna pull it out and get ready for the next step. So we got the beef, let's put it in. Now we're gonna cook this beef through nice and hot, and we'll go from there. What we're gonna do, we're gonna finish cooking up the meat. And once that's complete, we're gonna add the broccoli into it, mix it all up. Then we're gonna add the sauce that's been sitting and let that cook together, let that marry, and then we'll go from there. So what I like to do is when I'm cooking beef like this, I like to cook it till all the moisture is gone. So we get rid of all this moisture here. So that's a good indicator. When we get rid of this, our meat is done. All right, so I think the meat is about ready. We got a good sear on it, and if you look, we got rid of that moisture there. That clear stuff, that's the oil, which is really good, but we're where we need to be. So what we're gonna do now, let's add that broccoli in with the beef, and then we'll get that sauce. All right, so we got the sauce. What I'm going to do is turn down the heat because I don't want to burn the sauce as I add it in. And then I'm just going to cook it all together. Oh, that smells wonderful. Now let's keep this moving. What we're going to do is we're going to keep moving it so it glazes the meat and the broccoli. So now we got everything the way we like it. So we're gonna cut the heat and then we're ready to eat. And here's our beef and broccoli, complete with our sauce from the bottom of the disco. And that's the Disco Dish.